Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quantum bricks. These special bricks unlock incredible possibilities for your builds in Bricklabs. We will go through the entire process, from gathering the necessary components to activating your finished quantum brick. This easy-to-follow guide will help you master this advanced building technique in just a few simple steps, ensuring your creations stand out with unique functionality. Before you begin building, you will need to gather the correct components from your Bricklabs inventory. Search for the specialized parts required for quantum construction. You will need exactly one quantum core, which is the heart of your brick, and 4 energy conduits to channel its power. Make sure you have enough virtual currency or resources to acquire these crucial items. Now, let's assemble your quantum brick. First, place the quantum core precisely at the center of your designated build area. Next, carefully attach the 4 energy conduits around the core, ensuring they are positioned symmetrically for optimal energy distribution. Finally, use your quantum link tool to connect each conduit securely to the central core, forming a cohesive unit. With your quantum brick assembled, it is time for activation. Navigate to the Bricklabs activation panel and initiate the process for your newly constructed brick. Watch the energy flow indicators closely. A steady, vibrant glow confirms successful activation. Once active, take your quantum brick to a controlled testing environment to explore its unique properties and integrate it into your larger projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.